What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Metamask extension not working on Mrs. Browser. So if you're having issues with Metamask's extension here and it's not working properly on the Mrs. Browser, well, there are a few things that you could try doing. So the thing with Mrs. Browser here, if any extensions does not work properly, the best thing that you could try doing here is to uninstall the actual extension and reinstalling it again. So unfortunately, that is the only thing that we could do right now, because in this case, when you've installed MetaMask here, most likely there might be some issues with installation files here or the way it's actually installed in your browser. So that's why uninstalling the extension and reinstalling again is the best way to do here. So in this case, you want to go and click on the extension icon you see at the very bottom here and click on extensions. And from here, you want to go and click on remove on MetaMask. Now from here, once you've removed that, you want to go and click on the open Mrs. Extension Store. Now from here, you want to go to the extensions and just type in Metamask and see if you can actually find it in here. Now from here, let's go open it up. It should open up Chrome Web Store here. You want to go and click on add to Chrome, click on OK, and just wait for it to be fully added or re-added into your browser. But once it's actually re-added here, you can go and access this. So in this case, you go and click on the extension icon again, click on MetaMask to access the extension here. And yeah, so in this case, see if that works for you. So in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.